Dear students, very good morning. Welcome to SOEM program on Information Technology Applications in Libraries. We had a discussion on library networking in this week, and today I am going to discuss with you the challenges and future trends in library networking. This is a last session of this week. Now let us see what are the different agenda item of this program. We'll be discussing about trends in library networking, various trends like digital integration, user-centric services, collaborative initiatives, and data management. And we will be covering the 21st century advancement in technology and global collaboration, emergence of digital libraries and cloud-based services, modern technologies and enhanced user experience, challenges in library networking, future scope of library networking. These are the areas which we are going to cover today. Dear learners, earlier, resource sharing methods like interlibrary loan were used to meet the demands of users. Due to the information explosion and accelerating prices of information, services and products, libraries were unable to meet the information needs of users. With the advent of information technology, libraries work in a networked environment where data and information resources are accessible in electronic format and are shared electronically. So, in today's information-driven era, libraries serve as essential hubs for knowledge dissemination, cultural preservation, and research support. So this transformation into a digital ecosystem of libraries has redefined as library networking. Library networking connects libraries through collaborative systems for resource sharing and sharing of other efficient services and products. Despite an advancement, challenges and emerging trends shape the future of library networking. Now let us discuss what are different trends in library networking. Library networks today exhibit a range of innovative practices that align with the rapid technological advancement of the 21st century. The key trends in library networking include digital integration, user-centric services, collaborative initiatives, data management, all of which aim to improve the accessibility, efficiency, effectiveness, and relevance of the various library and information services. Now let us discuss one by one what is digital integration means. Digital integration has become a cornerstone of modern library networks, driven by the need to provide extensive digital resources and services. With cloud-based solutions, libraries can now host a wide range of digital content from e-books and e-journals to multimedia resources and research databases. The cloud computing has made it possible for library networks to centralize digital assets, allowing multiple institutions to access resources without duplicating physical holdings. This approach reduces operational cost and expands access to information, particularly for users in remote as well as underserved regions. Automated systems further enhance the digital integration, handling routine tasks such as cataloging, circulation, and reference services. This not only improves the service speed and accuracy, but also frees up librarians to focus on other specialized support services such as research assistance and digital literacy programs. As digital content grows, so does the need for efficient digital asset management, making digital integration a primary trend in library networking. Now let us discuss what is a trend in user-centric services. In response to evolving user expectations, libraries are increasingly focused on user-centric services that enhance the overall experiences and engagement of patrons. Personalization is a significant component of this trend, as libraries use analytics and user data to tailor services according to individual needs. For example, libraries now offer recommendations based on borrowing history, provide customized research assistance, and offer multilingual access to content to cater the diverse needs of users at various demographics. Mobile access is another key feature, as many users expect library resources to be available on the go on their mobile devices. Library networks have embraced mobile-friendly platforms that allow users to search catalogs, download electronic resources, and access digital services from their devices. By emphasizing user-friendly interfaces and accessibility, libraries ensure that they remain relevant in increasingly digital world. Another trend is collaborative initiatives. Collaboration is very essential in modern library networks, fostering partnerships that expand resource access and strengthen the service delivery. Libraries often collaborate within consortia to share the resources to avoid redundancy. For instance, many library networks have developed shared digital catalogs that combine holdings from multiple institutions, allowing users to access a wider array of resources without leaving their local library. In addition to resource sharing, collaborative initiatives often involve knowledge exchange and training program. So the libraries work together to standardize some practices, exchange expertise, and develop unified policies for resource access and privacy. These collaborative initiatives enhance the quality of services and support libraries in addressing common challenges which they are facing, and making collaboration a foundational trend in library networking. Now let us discuss what is a trend in data management. The increasing reliance on digital resources has led a growing emphasis on data management within library networks. Libraries collect and analyze vast amount of data ranging from circulation statistics to user demographics, which can inform decision making and service improvements. Effective data management enables libraries to track user preferences, optimize resource allocations, and assess the impact of their services. The advanced analytics tools allow libraries to gain deeper insights into user behavior, helping them to design services that meet the unique needs of their communities. By investing in data management systems like data management capabilities, library networks can improve both operational efficiency and user satisfaction, and reinforcing their role as essential knowledge providers in the digital age. So these are the major trends which are going on in the library network. Now let us discuss what is the 21st century advances in technology and global collaborations. The 21st century has been unprecedented technological advancements that have reshaped the library networks and expanded global collaboration. Because without collaboration, nothing is possible among the libraries. Because one library cannot stand alone. to meet the requirements of their users and their user communities. From the early adoption of digital libraries to the current use of artificial intelligence, these developments have transformed how libraries operate. Repeat. From the early adoption of digital libraries to the current use of artificial intelligence, these developments have transformed how libraries operate and interact with each other. If you look back, during the 2000s, we'll find the emergence of digital libraries and cloud-based services. And during 2010 and the present situation, we can say we're having the modern technologies and there is an enhanced user experience. Now let us see during the 2000, we find the emergence of digital libraries and cloud-based services. In the 2000s, we witness a marked significant shift in library networking with the rapid growth of digital libraries and cloud-based services. Digital libraries emerged as repositories of digital content, offering access to a wide range of materials that previously required physical storage. Cloud computing further enhanced this capability, allowing libraries to store and manage their digital assets online, making them accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. These developments laid the foundation for more interconnected and efficient library networks, enabling libraries to share digital collections and reduce physical storage demands. The shift to cloud-based services also improved data backup and recovery, ensuring that libraries could safeguard their resources against loss or damage. In other hand, during 2010 and the present scenario, we will find there is a adoption of modern technologies and there is an enhanced user experiences. The past decade has brought further innovations to library networking with technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data analytics, and blockchain, transforming the operations and enhancing the user experiences. Machine learning algorithms help libraries to streamline cataloging processes, while big data analytics provide valuable insights into user preferences and user behavior and trends. Blockchain technology, though still emerging in library context, holds potential for secure and transparent data sharing. It can be used to create decentralized networks where libraries exchange resources and verify transactions without relying on a central authority. These technologies not only enhance efficiency but also enable libraries to offer more personalized services, reinforcing their role as a community-centric institution. The emphasis on global collaboration has also grown, with the library networks increasingly involved in international partnerships. Organizations such as International Federation of Library Associations (IFLA) support global initiatives that promote resource sharing, standardization, and policy development. This expansion of global collaboration ensures that libraries remain connected and aligned with global standards, enhancing their capacity to serve diverse user communities. Dear learners, now we discuss about the trends in library networking. Now let us discuss what are the different challenges in library networking. Despite the progress in library networking, various challenges persist, requiring innovative solutions and collaborative efforts to overcome it. These challenges include interoperability issues, finding constraints, and technological change. Dear learners, now let us discuss one by one. Interoperability issues. Interoperability has been a challenge for library networks, as different libraries often use varying systems, formats, and standards. These discrepancies can hinder data sharing and make it difficult to establish a cohesive networks. To address interoperability issues, library networks have developed standardized formats such as MARC and Z39.50, which facilitate communication between systems. However, the rapid introduction of new technologies requires ongoing efforts to ensure that these standards remain relevant uh, universally. Libraries are now exploring the use of linked data and open source solutions to improve interoperability. The linked data enables libraries to represent resources in a format that can easily shared across platforms, while open source software provides a flexible solution that can be adapted to meet the evolving needs of the libraries. By embracing these tools, libraries can reduce interoperability barriers and enhance resource access across the networks. Next is fund constraints. Budget limitations remain a significant challenge for library networks always, affecting their ability to adopt new technologies, maintain infrastructure, and support collaborative initiatives. Funding constraints are particularly challenging for smaller libraries, which may struggle to participate in the social sharing networks or invest digital library services. To mitigate these challenges, libraries often form consortia that pool resources and reduce cost. Grant funding and public-private partnerships also provide alternative sources of support, allowing libraries to pursue innovative projects that they might not otherwise afford. By adopting creative funding models, library networks can address financial constraints and continue to expand their services to their clientele. Next is technological change. We already discussed about the technological changes and the adoption of new technological tools in libraries. The rapid pace of technological change presents both opportunities and challenge for library networks. While new technologies enable libraries to improve the service delivery, they also require constant adaptation and investment. Libraries must continuously upgrade their systems, train staff, and adjust policies to keep up with technological advancements. To address this challenge, library networks are increasingly focusing on staff development and training programs that equip librarians with the skills needed to navigate emerging technologies. Additionally, libraries are adopting agile frameworks that allow them to respond more quickly to technological changes. By investing in adaptability, libraries can stay at the forefront of innovation and continue to meet the user needs. Dear students, now let us discuss about the future scope of library networking. The library networking is poised for further transformation with advancements in technology, enhanced collaboration, sustainability, and global networks emerging as key areas of focus. So these are the future scope: advanced technologies, enhanced collaboration, sustainability, and global network. We will be discussing one by one in detail. Advanced technology means the future of library networking will likely involve the integration of emerging technologies, including artificial intelligence, blockchain, and advanced data analytics. AI-driven tools can enhance resource discovery and automate routine tasks, freeing up librarians to focus on other specialized services. Blockchain can provide secure, decentralized networks that enables libraries to share resources transparently, ensuring accountability and trust among network participants. Enhanced collaboration will be crucial for the future library networks as libraries increasingly work together to share resources, expertise, and best practices. Partnerships with educational institutions, research organizations, and technical companies can further expand library networks, enabling them to serve broader communities and address complex challenges collectively. Sustainability, as environmental concerns become more pressing, library networks are likely to adopt sustainable practices to minimize the ecological impact. This may involve reducing energy consumptions in data centers, using eco-friendly materials, and promoting digital resources to reduce physical waste. Sustainability will be essential for ensuring that library network can continue to serve communities in the responsible and in effective manner. Global networks. The expansion of global networks will play a significant role in the future of library networking. By fostering international partnerships, libraries can facilitate cross-cultural resource sharing and promote global access to information. The expansion will ensure that libraries remain connected and responsive to the needs of a diverse, interconnected world. Learners, library networking has come a long way from its early days of interlibrary exchanges to libraries' sophisticated digital ecosystem. As libraries continue to embrace new technologies and collaborative models, they must be address challenges such as interoperability, funding, and technological change. By focusing on user-centric services, sustainable practices, and global collaboration, library networks can build a resilient and responsive infrastructure that meets the needs of future generations. The future of library networking promises a world of expanded access, deeper partnership, and renewed commitment to the democratization of knowledge. With these words, I would like to signing off. Thank you all for your patience listening. We will be meeting with another topic in the next week, the week 9. Thank you very much.